All right, bro. I understand your pain. I understand your anxiety. I understand everything. I understand that you are shy and ashamed to let people know that you have a low sperm count. But hey, bro, you don't need to die anymore in silence or stuff your stomach with all this adulterated, all these chemical filled tablets out there. Why don't you follow me as I show you how to make this delicious low sperm booster drink to boost your sperm, and you will thank me later. Let's get going to my kitchen. Lychee are evergreen tree of the soapberry family, grown for its edible fruits. Lychee is native to Southeast Asia and has been a favorite fruit at the cartoonets since ancient times. The fruit is usually eaten fresh, but can also be canned or dried. Now that you have seen and you've heard and known about this fruit, I know most of you might have been seeing this fruit. Some of us knows the fruit, but some of us have not even come across it. Some have been seeing it, but they don't really know what it is. And one thing about this wonderful fruit is that it grows in a warm environment, which means those of us that are from Africa are blessed. So if the seed of this lychee is taken to Africa, there is every probability that it can also grow there. Like it is said, it is a fruit known mostly from the southeast of Asia. Now, having known a little bit about this fruit, let's look at the health benefit. What are the health benefits of this wonderful Mother Nature fruits? Now, the health benefit of this wonderful fruit, you will be amazed at the health benefit of this fruit. Lychee contains good amounts of antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, and hypernutrient flavonoids. Lychee is a rich source of nutrients that is required for the production of blood. It provides manganese, magnesium, copper, iron, and folate that are required for the formation of RBC. Now, this is what we are talking about. It says, listen to what it says about the requirement. It said it is a nutrient that requires production of blood. And you know now, when you are meeting your woman as a man, you know you need blood. It is blood that you need, you are giving out to that person. So you need blood, enough of blood, in order to to also give out to your woman, which will in turn produce human nature, which will provide a human being. Let me just say human being. So this is why this fruit is very, very effective, and it boosts a sperm count. So let's go on and see more about this, the benefit, health benefit of this wonderful lychee fruit. Lychee contains good amount of fiber and vitamin B complex, which increases metabolism, fat, protein, and carbohydrates. Fiber-rich foods has proved to suppress appetite and increase metabolism. Lychee also contains high amounts of antioxidant, which is effective to prevent early aging. For those of us that doesn't want to grow old, you better embrace this fruit now and start eating it like no man business. But please, whatever you do, eat in moderation. Don't forget that too much of everything is bad. Lychee contains high amount of antioxidant vitamin C. Lychee also contains a good amount of potassium. Potassium is required to maintain sodium level. Also, high potassium is required to maintain fluid level. Do you hear that? Fluid level. So, and this is what we are talking about, to boost the fluid, the semen of our men, of our guys, of our fiancé, to boost their fluid. So, having had all that, we'll go straight into making of this delicious, sumptuous sperm booster drink with this lychee fruit. Let's get started. Lest I forget, this is not only the only ingredient that is going to be used for this. We also have other ingredients like my walnuts. Alright, then here is our walnut. And what are the health benefits of walnut? Walnut is rich in antioxidants. It is also super plant source of omega-3s. It decreases inflammation and promotes a healthy gut. Reduces risk of some cancers and also supports weight control. And that is that on walnuts. So let's go and see the next ingredient to make this delicious sperm count booster drink. Our next ingredient is our ginger. Here we have our ginger. Many of us uses ginger to cook. Many of us don't even know the health benefits of these wonderful, lovely crops. Now, ginger contains gingerol, a substance with powerful medicinal properties. Ginger can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. Ginger reduces muscle pain and soreness. It also boosts, it also prevents some bacteria from getting into your fluid as a man. You know what I mean? Into your semen, when there are some kind of bacteria that comes in either from eating randomly or from maybe bacteria that you can contact from in the wrong places. Then these wonderful crops, ginger, will help to fight it off. And that is why ginger is added into this lovely juice that we are about making now. So the next one is our canela. Now here you have canela. It is called canela, meaning cinnamon. This you can use just 1/4 spoon or 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and add to this wonderful juice. And oh my word, in fact, I don't need to say much. Just give this drink a try and you will come back filling my comment box with so many of your experiences. So what does this cinnamon branded crops do to the body? Cinnamon, I hope you guys have seen it. Cinnamon is high in substance with powerful medicinal properties. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. You can see all these ingredients that I am using to make this drink are all related in one way or the other. It has an anti-inflammatory properties and it is loaded with antioxidants. Cinnamon will cut the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon can improve sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Cinnamon also helps lower blood sugar level and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. It also helps to clear off liquid, from our system and make us live and look healthy. Now, I haven't shown you all the ingredients and also educated us on how am I going to put it now, on the health benefit of this ingredient. Let's start the process of making this lovely oh my goodness, did I say sex? No, sperm booster drink. All right guys, here is the fruit, this lychee fruit that I told you about. I've already removed it from the from the seed. This is how it is. Then after you remove it, it will be like this. Then you throw away the seed. So we are going to pour it inside our blender. To that I'll add 1 cup of this walnuts, half big bulb of ginger, 1/4 spoon of cinnamon, I'll add 500 ml of water, and then cover and blend. Alright guys, we are done blending. At this point we are going to sieve the drink. Here guys, here is the final product of our sperm booster drink. I want you to give this a try, because they said seeing is believing, right? When you try something, you'll be able to be convinced if that thing works or not. But I tell you, this is 100% effective. And always make sure, I repeat, always make sure your woman is beside you or around at a reach. Because when it starts bubbling, when the Mr. Man starts, standing and giving ovation, you will still want someone, to help you bring it down or bring him down. Okay guys, thank you so much for following us. If you have been following me up till now, I say thank you so much and God bless you so good. And don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also share this video. Leave your comments on my comment box below. How do you see this drink? Give it a try. And until I come your way with another recipe, remain blessed. Bye.